Hola, el día de hoy vamos a hacer una actividad muy divertida, pero antes nos vamos a lavar las manitas, nos ponemos un poquito de gel y les voy a presentar el material de hoy, ¿ok? Vamos a necesitar una caja de cartón, puede ser de zapatos o la que tengas en casa, también puede ser una de cereal, una cinta, puede ser también de doble cara, un marcador, palitos de paleta, yo los tenía previamente pintados, unas tijeras, figuritas de foamy o de pasta o lo que tengas en casa, o pueden ser recortes. Yo tengo figuritas de foamy, también tengo unas figuras geométricas como las estrellas. Y ahora es tiempo de hacerlo en inglés, ¿ok? Okay, children, first of all, we are going to take our box and then let's take your scissors and let's make some holes over the box, okay? Look, make the hole, make the hole, make the holes, and then we are going to write the numbers with your marker, okay? This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, to number 11, okay? Now we have the numbers here. Okay, now let's take some tape and let's cut small paper and then put the tape here over the stick. And now let's paste the animal, okay? Now we have like this. Now do the same with all the animals and the stars. And now we have this and this. Look at the animals. And now it's time to sing Old MacDonald song, okay? Do you remember Old MacDonald? Look at the animals. Let's say the names. The cow, chicken, pig, sheep, horse, duck, and rooster. Do you remember? Look at the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, okay? Now, listen to music. Music, please.
What animals do you see on a farm? What sounds do they make?
Listen.
A cow. Moo, moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. A chicken.
A chicken.
Cluck, cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken. E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck, cluck here, with a cluck, cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck, cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. A pig!
A pig.
Oink, oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With a oink, oink here a ba here, with a ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everybody ba. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. A horse. Neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse. E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh here, with a neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everybody neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. A duck! Quack, quack!
Do you remember the duck?
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here, with a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everybody quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. A rooster! It's a rooster! Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a rooster. E-I-E-I-O. With a cock-a-doodle-doo here and a cock-a-doodle-doo there. Here a cock-a-doodle-doo, there a cock-a-doodle-doo, everywhere a cock-a-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O.
Bravo, children. Okay, now it's time to remember the numbers again, okay? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now you have the animals here and the shapes too, okay? Now, ask mommy and daddy to help you because you have to say a shape or a color or an animal, and then you have to put here, okay? Listen, the first one will be yellow star. What is the yellow star? What is the yellow star? Here is the yellow star, okay? Now, I'm going to say a number. Look at the numbers. I'm going to find a number 4. Okay? Look, this is number 4. Number 4. Let's find number 4 in the box. What is number 4? Number 4. Here is number 4, okay? Let's put the shape, the star, yellow star here. Bravo, very good. Now, I'm going to find the sheep. Okay, where is the sheep? What is the sheep? What is the sheep? Uh-oh, where is the sheep? This is the sheep. Look. Okay, this is the same. It's the sheep. Now, let's find another number. What number do you like? I like number 7. Okay, let's find number 7. What is number 7 in my box? Number 7. Number 7. Here is number 7, okay? Let's put the sheep in number 7, okay? Number 7. Very good. Okay, the next one. I'm going to find duck. Okay, do you like ducks? What is a duck? Here is a duck, okay? Now, look, this is the same duck. Now let's find the number 2. What is number 2? Number 2, here is number 2, okay? This is number 2. Now find number 2 in the box. This is number 2, okay? Put number 2. Put the dot on number 2, okay? The next one is a white star, okay? This is white star. And now let's find another number. What number do you like? Number 10? Do you like number 10? Okay, let's find number 10 over the box. Look, what is number 10? What is number 10? Oh, what is number 10? Here is number 10. Put the star on number 10, okay? Now, another animal is the pig. Look, this is the pig, okay? And this is the same. Now let's find another number. I will find number 5. Where is number 5? What is number 5? Here is number 5, okay? Put the pig on number 5. Now another animal. This is another animal. This is a rabbit. Now let's find number 1. What is number 1? Here is number 1, okay? Now let's find number 1 on the box. What is number 1? Okay, very good. This is the number 1. Next is the purple star. And I'm going to find number 6. This is number 6, okay? Let's find number 6 on the box. What is number 6? Here is number 6. And this is the purple star. Now let's take another animal. This is the chicken. Okay. Now let's find number 8. Okay. What is number 8 in my box? What is number 8? Here is number 8. Now the pink star. Okay. Now let's find number 11. Okay. What is number 11? Here is number 11. Let's find number 11 in the box. Here is number 11. Okay, the next one is the cat. Where is the cat? Where is the number 3? Okay, let's find number 3 over the box. Where is number 3? Here is number 3. And the last one is the green star, and the number will be 9. Where is number 9? Here is number 9. Okay, let's find number 9. And here is my number 9. Okay, children, now we finished. Thank you. And remember, you have to wash your hands and say goodbye. Okay, bye-bye.